This is a brief run-through a typical database search to show how it all works. A quick note, I tested this out beforehand, and real-life database searching is a bit more hit and miss than this. A lot more messy, a lot more trial and error. Just a word of warning. Starting out in the portal, I select Library, Articles and Research Databases, Google Scholar. I'm entering in a search for sign language interpreters, self-care, and ethics. I've grouped sign language interpreters together to look for that specific phrase. This first article looks good for my topic, so I'm going to select the PDF. As I read through it, I decide that indeed this is a good article for me. I'm going to download it and save it to my files. Because I decide to use the article, I want to come back and get the citation, copy that, and paste it into a Word document. Since this article is useful for me, I'm going to scroll down to the reference pages. As I look through the reference pages, I find this article, Teaching Interpreters About Self-Care, interesting. I'm going to copy it, go back to the Articles and Database page, and select Google Scholar, and paste the article title in. And here is the article title available as a PDF. As I looked at this article and it was also useful, I'm going to come to the Cite feature and copy the APA citation into my Word document. As I paste my ongoing citations, I'm going to put them into alphabetical order. I can see that this article has been cited 43 times since it's been published, so I'm going to check out those results. As I scroll through the results, I see that I would like this article, but there's not a PDF or Find It at Woo option. I go to the two carets and see there is a Find It at Woo option there. And I'm able to look under the View Online and access the journal. I go back and I get the APA citation. I paste it alphabetically into my list. So from the Google Scholar search, I found one article in the results, one article from the reference page, and one article by using the Cited By feature. Going back to the Articles and Database page, I'm going to select PsycInfo, and because I want to expand my search, before I enter in my search terms, I'm going to choose Databases, and you could add in individual databases, or, like I'm going to do, select all. So now I'm searching PsycInfo in all the EBSCO databases. I'm going to search Sign Language Interpreters and Stress. From the left-hand side, I select to limit my search results to peer-reviewed articles. I have 81 articles now when I select peer-reviewed. It brings it down to 66. And I'm going to change the date range to 2015 to current day. Going to scroll through the articles until I find one that I think is relevant to my topic. This one here, a qualitative exploration of work values and job satisfaction among sign language interpreters. I could get the Find It at Woo option now, but I'm going to select the title first. Here I have the option to print, email, or save it, but I also can get the Cite feature. Go down to the APA, and I'm going to copy it. Now because this has a gray background, when I paste it in, I'm going to choose the Keep Text Only so that that gray background doesn't show up. To access the article, I'm going to select Find It at Woo. I'm going to sign in and then access it from the link provided under the View Online Full Text Availability. Select the PDF, download the article, scroll through the articles on the reference page, This one looks pretty interesting and related to my topic. I'm going to copy it, go back to Articles and Databases, select Google Scholar, paste it in, and here is the article available as a PDF, and it's been cited by 63. So I will want to download the article and also check the cited by references. When I'm done with my searching and I have all of my citations, I'm going to go back to the library page, select Citation Guides, APA, the reference page, and journal articles. Then I can compare my citations to the correct citation and fix any errors. To review, you want to find articles from reference pages, find cited by articles, and check your APA citations. Happy searching!